As electric bikes continue to surge in popularity, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for cutting-edge e-bikes that redefine convenience, performance, and style. Whether you're commuting through the city, conquering rugged trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely weekend ride, the latest electric bikes offer an impressive blend of speed, range, and eco-friendly efficiency. From sleek urban designs to powerful off-road machines, this list of the top 5 best e-bikes for 2025 showcases the very best models that combine innovative technology, comfort, and versatility. Check out the links in the description for more details on each bike and get ready to experience the future of riding. Number 5. Veefa L1. The Veefa L1 is an all-terrain step-through electric bike designed for both comfort and adventure. Featuring a 1,000-watt peak motor, this powerful e-bike reaches a top speed of 28 km/h, making it perfect for both urban commutes and off-road exploration. Its 48V13AH removable battery provides an impressive range of 60 to 80 miles, allowing for longer rides without constant recharging. Equipped with 26.4-inch fat tires, the Veefa L1 ensures stability and control across various terrains, from paved roads to gravel trails. The hydraulic front suspension fork with 60mm travel effectively absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Its Shimano 7-speed gearing system allows for precise shifting, giving riders the flexibility to adapt to different riding conditions effortlessly. For safety, the dual hydraulic disc brakes offer strong and reliable stopping power, even at higher speeds. The smart LCD display keeps you informed with real-time ride data, and the 48V LED headlight enhances visibility during night rides. With a 300 mAh load capacity and a price tag of $999, the Veefa L1 delivers exceptional value, combining durability, performance, and comfort in an all-terrain electric bike built for any adventure. Number 4. GhostCat F3X Pro. For those seeking power and thrill, the GhostCat F3X Pro is the ultimate all-terrain e-bike designed with the spirit of a dual-sport motorcycle. Powered by a 1,500 Nm motor delivering 140 amps of torque, the F3X Pro reaches speeds of 35 mph, offering an exhilarating ride whether on pavement or rugged trails. The 52V20AH lithium battery ensures a maximum range of 52 miles, so you can take on long journeys without worry. Its 7-speed Shimano gearing system provides smooth transitions between gears, while the 3 riding modes, manual pedaling, pedal assist, and full electric power, offer complete control over your ride. Built for comfort and durability, the lightweight aluminum alloy soft tail frame is paired with premium adjustable front and rear suspension, ensuring a smooth, shock-absorbing ride over rough terrain. The CST Scout dual sport fat tires offer excellent grip and stability, while the 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 200mm provide superior stopping power for maximum safety. The extended seat ensures a comfortable riding position, while the high-definition LCD display keeps all ride data within easy view. Front and rear LED lights provide night visibility, ensuring safety in any condition. Priced at $2,304, the GhostCat F3X Pro is a high-performance beast ready for any adventure. Number 3. Puckipuppy Labrador. The Puckipuppy Labrador is an electric bike built for mountain adventures and rugged terrains, offering both power and comfort. Equipped with a 960W peak motor, this e-bike can hit a top speed of 28 mph, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for both speed and stability. With a 48V20AH removable battery, the Labrador boasts an impressive range of up to 80 miles, ensuring that long-distance rides are a breeze. Its 26.4-inch fat tires provide maximum traction and stability across challenging surfaces like sand, snow, and rocky trails. The dual suspension system absorbs bumps and shocks effortlessly, allowing for a smooth and controlled ride in any condition. For superior control, the 1x7-speed direct mount gearing system delivers smooth shifting, while the thumb throttle provides instant acceleration. Safety is a priority, with 180mm hydraulic disc brakes offering fast and powerful stopping power when needed. The brand new Flight Interface LCD display ensures you stay informed on ride data, and its high-capacity load rating of 400 km makes it accessible to riders of all sizes. Priced at $1,389.99, the Puckipuppy Labrador delivers an unbeatable combination of performance, durability, and comfort, making it the ultimate companion for any off-road adventure. Number 2. HappyRun G70. The HappyRun G70 is a high-performance electric bike designed for adventure seekers who demand power and reliability. Featuring a dual 1,000 motor system, the G70 delivers a staggering 32 mph top speed, making it one of the fastest in its category. The 48V25AH battery offers a maximum range of up to 70 miles, ensuring long, uninterrupted rides without frequent charging. With full suspension, the G70 absorbs shocks and rough terrain effortlessly, ensuring an ultra-smooth riding experience. The 24-inch fat tires provide excellent traction, making it a great choice for sand, snow, and gravel. Safety features include hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power and upgraded LED lights for night visibility. The smart LCD display keeps all essential ride data within reach. With a load capacity of 330 sols and a price tag of $1,189, the HappyRun G70 is built to conquer any terrain while offering a comfortable and powerful ride. Number 1. Voyager 1 e-bike. Taking the top spot as the best e-bike of 2020, the Voyager 1 e-bike sets a new benchmark in performance, design, and technology. Built with a world-class carbon fiber frame, this mid-drive e-bike is a true game-changer in the electric bike industry. Powered by a 500 km/h Italian-made mid-drive motor with 800 W peak power and 110 Nm of torque, the Voyager 1 reaches a top speed of 28 km/h, making it ideal for both city streets and rugged trails. The 48V20AH removable Samsung battery provides a remarkable range of up to 62 miles, charging fully in just 3-5 hours. The Shimano X1 18-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifting, while the full suspension system and Maxxis all-terrain fat tires provide maximum comfort and stability on any surface. Its integrated digital display keeps track of ride data, and the in-frame phone charging compartment ensures your devices stay powered up on the go. Safety is top-notch with hydraulic Magura MTIV disc brakes and a GPS anti-theft system. The high-tech lighting system, inspired by the auroras of the Yukon, includes high-beam headlights, dual embedded taillights, turn signals, and ambient lighting for both safety and aesthetics. Priced at $4,390, the Voyager 1 is the ultimate electric bike for those who demand the best in performance and innovation. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric bikes for 2025. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect e-bike for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content on e-bikes and outdoor gear. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each bike. Let us know in the comments which e-bike caught your eye. Happy riding!